Kids, can you see the screen? Okay. So you see what happened here. The ancient Egyptian. We are in the page number 19 and last paragraph. Okay. The ancient Egyptians came a step closer to the modern idea of a book. They made a kind of crude paper from a reed called papyrus. Flat sheets were made by hand, and these pale yellow sheets were pasted together into a long strips which were wound around cylindrical rollers of bone or wood. मतलब क्या हुआ इसका? एंशियंट जो इजिप्शियंस थे, एंशियंट इजिप्शियंस मतलब क्या है? मतलब old in the olden days when the Egyptians came closer with the idea of the modern day book. तो उन लोगों ने क्या किया? They made a kind of a crude paper from a reed called papyrus. मतलब papyrus करके एक reed मतलब ना बहुत लंबे लंबे टाइप का घास जो होता है, ग्रास. तो उससे वो लोगों ने क्या बनाया? क्रूड काइंड ऑफ अ पेपर. मतलब पेपर, हम लोगों का जो पेपर है वो बहुत सॉफ्ट होता है, पर ये जो है ये बहुत क्रूड होता है. क्रूड मतलब क्या है बोलो तो? रफ है. क्रूड मतलब रफ पेपर. ROUGH. क्रूड मतलब रफ पेपर. ओके. उसको बोलते हैं papyrus. First, flat sheets were made, and these pale yellow sheets were pasted together into a long strips which wound around cylindrical rollers of the bone or wood. मतलब फ्लैट शीट्स वर मेड बाय हैंड. मतलब फ्लैट फ्लैट एकदम थोड़ा सा चपटा टाइप का शीट्स बनता था हैंड से. एंड देन एंड दिस pale yellow sheets were pasted together into a long strips which wound around cylindrical rollers of the bone or wood. अभी देखो, नेक्स्ट पेज में जाओ प्लीज. This is page. Yeah, papyrus is a reed. Here you see. Can you check? This is papyrus. See. Oh God. हाँ. Yes. Can you see? So this is papyrus. And papyrus में क्या होता था? देखो, papyrus is a reed-like plant belonging to a family of sages. Sages is also those kind of plants. हाँ. वो टाइप का plants होता है जो घास की तरह होता है दिखने में, बहुत लंबा लंबा होता है. And it grows to a height from 1 or 3 meters. मैं आपको बोला 1 or 3 meters के height का होता है. The stems are soft and sometimes as large as a man's wrist. At the top of these stems are drooping slender branches like shaggy coarse hair. The leaves are small and the roots are strong. तो ये है description of papyrus. So ये वाला portion बहुत important है आप लोगों का. Remember this. What is papyrus? तो ये वाला पोर्शन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, पैपिरस वाला. पैपिरस इज अ रीड लाइक प्लांट बिलोंगिंग टू द फैमिली ऑफ द सेज. तो शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस आ सकता है ऐसे जैसे फ्रॉम विच फैमिली पैपिरस बिलोंग्स, फ्रॉम विच प्लांट फैमिली पैपिरस बिलोंग्स. सो यू हैव टू आंसर लाइक पैपिरस इज अ रीड लाइक प्लांट, इट बिलोंग्स टू द फैमिली ऑफ सेजेस. ऐसे आप लोगों का आंसर लिखना होगा. इट ग्रोज टू अ पॉइंट, इट ग्रोज टू अ हाइट, it grows to a height from 1 to 3 meters, and the stems are soft and sometimes as large as a man's wrist. At the top of these stems are drooping slender branches like shaggy coarse hair. The leaves are small and the roots are strong. So these are the description of the papyrus. Next is the Roman historian Pliny has left a description of how the ancient papyrus was made. The stems of the papyrus plant were peeled apart and flattened. The center one was broadest and most valuable. तो किसने papyrus के ऊपर एक description दिया था? Roman historian Pliny or Pliny. He has left a description. Okay, this chapter is very important because lots of short questions can come from here. You see here, the Roman historian, this particular portion. The Roman historian Pliny has left a description of how the ancient papyrus was made. कैसे? Papyrus was made before, and the stems of the papyrus plant were peeled apart. Peeled apart मतलब peel करना, मतलब किसी को छिलना ऐसे, ठीक है? छिल के उसको थोड़ा सा ऐसे थोड़ा सा ये करके flattened करवा जाता था, करा जाता था. And the center one was broadest and most valuable. मतलब center part जो था उसका stem का, वो सबसे ज्यादा valuable था. Okay. Next is the strips were laid side by side across them at night angles. Other strips were placed and the layers were glued together by the muddy water of the Nile or with a wheat flour paste. Wheat flour क्या है बोलो तो? Wheat flour क्या है? हम लोग wheat कहाँ पे? Wheat क्या है बोलो तो? Yes, correct. So गेहूं की जो पेस्ट है वो बना के उसको wheat flour paste से उसको ऐसे muddy water all the while और with so the layers were glued together. मतलब layers कैसे उसको stick कैसे करवाया जाता था? wheat flour के paste से या फिर नाइल के water से. Nile is the river. The sheets thus formed were the hammered or rolled flat and dried in the sun. देखो यहाँ पे ऐसे बनाया जाता था roll करके. You know, this is the way. At one time, papyrus writing material was one of the Egypt's chief articles of the commerce. All diplomatic papers for the centuries were written on papyrus until parchment took its place. Each piece was marked with a stamp to prove its value. So you see here we will be today we will be reading still this much only because now I will ask you all to read the chapter till this much. So today we have done like one page full and then half page. So 1.5 page together. So at one time papyrus writing material was one of Egypt's chief articles. मतलब papyrus writing material was very important in Egypt. Okay, Egypt में बहुत ज़्यादा important था. And this is one of the chief articles of the commerce. Commerce मतलब यहाँ पे it is talking about the business. All the diplomatic papers for the centuries were written on papyrus. बहुत ज़्यादा diplomatic जो papers होते थे वो सब किसके ऊपर लिखा जाता था? Papyrus के ऊपर लिखा जाता था. तो first paper कहाँ से आया? अगर जीके में भी ऐसा टाइप का क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. First paper आता है papyrus से. Okay? Were peeled अच्छा ये यहाँ पे and until the parchment took its place and after that came the parchment paper. Okay, each piece was marked with a stamp to prove its value. मतलब papyrus इतने ही important थे, इतने valuable था कि उसके ऊपर stamp देके उसका value और ज़्यादा बढ़ाते थे लोग. So today till this much only and the next day till this much only. The next day we will do the rest. Okay, clear? Okay, ठीक है. Thanks.